Oh, and he can't go anywhere because the other one. These people go. When you hear it's on. Yeah, and the Where's Gina? Oh, you know what? Oh, they're probably on
Where's that one?
Is he a nice guy? Jim Purvis?
Yes.
Is with an 8?
Oh, Joey's lights down.
Right here. Oh my God, there's a bunch of them.
There was some controversy. They're the ones firing. Wait a minute, they're drinking tequila too. That's not a good sign.
Didn't I stop last night?
You rock, Santa. Oh, wow.
That really was good. Here's the You gotta get on them when you fall in the water. My hair's curly now.
He's got like a Honda General.
This is a really good one. This is a guy that does a trapeze.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's
Hey, it's Rich, all right?
Does he still need people in the back? No, no. I got tired of my jokes. That was all a ruse. Oh, yeah.
It's nice to have the music. You're doing good. I'm good.
That was close.
Yeah.
That was appropriate when we're going this way.
Oh, that's a little one. Yeah. That's right. The San Rafael police will be right at the end of the road here.
That DUI checkpoint.
That's right. DUI checkpoint. Merry Christmas!
Good time to go shopping.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Now we go straight.
Looks like the
Condos, yeah. They were smart. They were Christmas condos.
Yeah.
Sold them for $500,000 5 years ago.
Right. But we pretend. Still fun.
They were pretty lucky. It's not very cold.
No, tonight it's not very cold.
There's no breeze or anything.
No. Look at this. That's nice. They got the lights on the dock.
It's a little far out in the snow. Whoa. Yeah, please move. Oh my goodness, turning. I guess because they were saying the sailboats have a problem with the houses that don't have house. They turn these quite quickly then.
Going under. Oh, look at Bambi. Oh, no, that's Rudolph. Man, they're still coming.
They are.
There's got to be 50 boats or more in this thing. Yeah. The house is up on the hill there. Pretty nifty. Oh, this guy already came through. He's doing a rerun.
I've seen him like 4 times.
Maybe he's going home. Merry Christmas! Oh. That is pretty nifty with sand up in the sky. That is pretty nifty. Merry Christmas! We'll go over one line in the front.
Oh, that's gonna work, Mike Shona.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the
Flamethrower in the cannon.
Yeah. There you go.